Well, I've had quite a good day today. Let's have a little look and I'll tell you why. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers and I am the coffee obsessed bobblehead that is the Scruffy Trader. And today I'm having a little coffee in celebration because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, and he certainly does today because I've hit a landmark, and it's a landmark that I'm going to share with you. Now, it's really a case of this meme. That's right. If you're going to do it twice and take pictures. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So, what is it? Well, it's the 5%ers prop fund. If you don't know what it is, I'll just quickly show you, and I'll show you my statements. It's a way of getting into market very cheaply, but also profiting from day one. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can go through the boot camp. It's a very low buy-in. And if you pass the challenges and you've got 12 months to do it, they'll give you a £100,000 account to trade with, which will grow up to 4 million. It's a wonderful way to learn how to trade because you get access to a lot of free education and a lot of support, even from myself if it's needed, because I work closely with these guys. Or there's the route that I've taken, which is this route. Now, this route gives you a live account from day one. There's no evaluation. You've just got to hit milestones of profit in order to accelerate your account. Now, when it first starts, it's a kind of an evaluation of sorts. You can't draw any money out till you hit the milestones. But as soon as you've hit the milestones, you draw your profit out. So it's very fair in the way that it is, and the buy-ins are very cheap. So why did I do it in the first place? Well, as many of you know, I run a Discord group called the Scruffy Squad, where I'll help and coach and sort of kind of try and show the way from the front that trading can be done. And a lot of the guys were interested in this 5%ers. Now, at the time, I wasn't really bothered. You know, I'm quite happy trading my own funds. I do very well with my own funds. But they wanted to try it. So it's a kind of a salute to you, Volker, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be having this conversation today. And I certainly won't be having what I'm about to show you. So when you go through this, all you have to do is hit that little milestones and your account grows. And with these particular ones, no matter which way you come in, whether you start at the bottom or the top, you'll grow the account to 1.2 million. So what's this got to do with the price of bet? I'm about to show you. See, a lot of people stick it into me all the time, you know, and they question what I do. And the reason being is they can't do it. It's that simple. So they look at what I do and they think they can't do it, so no one can do it.
Cheeky fuckers.
So I'm going to show you is 4 statements. All right, all live, all in front of you, and it's all verified by a third party. So when Popeye raises his arm and gets a massive, big arm because no woman will touch him, you can put this in your pipe and smoke it. So I started with this, which was 13,000. There you are, my name. Started with 13 grand, hit the milestone, got paid, and I did it relatively quickly. 717 trades, 89% hit rate. Now, I'm going to draw attention to the hit rate because there's a lot of people out there, they talk about saying that you can have a very low hit rate and still make money. You can, But that's kind of swing trading mentality. When you're day trading, that is gambling. It's not trading. Because if you can't predict what's going on in the next couple of hours, you're just flicking a coin. That's all you're doing. So there's that. You do have to keep your risk in check, which is what this section is, which is the profit factor. If you are over 1, you are deemed profitable. Well, I'm 3.9 on this. So I'm very pleased with that. And then, as you can see, there is pages upon pages of deal tickets. Whoops, get rid of that. So there's loads of it. All right. So that's one statement. That account morphed into this account. You saw me take £1,000 out of it last weekend because I'd earned it. I've got another 1,300 in here already. And it's a 52,000 account. And again, very good equity curve. 909 trades on this account. 87% hit rate. And a profit factor of 1.3. So again, it is still above where it needs to be. It did get a kick in the bollocks, as you can see there. And again, pages and pages and pages of trades. Okay. Because it was questioned over and over, I decided I'd do another fund where it was against the clock, which was this one. Again, good equity curve, 413 trades, 85% hit rate, profit factor 2.7, pages upon pages upon pages upon pages of trades. And today, while I was working, pulled in here, profit of 75.90. There's my deal tickets again. You know, the difference between the 82.90 and the 75.90 is the commissions that you pay. That tipped me over the milestone. So it's another past challenge. And this £20,000 account, which is now ready to pay me again. So you've just seen 1,300 profit on the other one ready to pay out. Well, there's my profit on this one, which is now going to get moved over onto this account, which I will be starting next Monday at $80,000. So the two live accounts that you get to see publicly on this account is collectively over $130,000. And that was done through this summer, starting with a very small balance. And I built it up time and time again with not one or two trades, hundreds of trades, as you've just seen. So Langers is an incredibly happy boy at the minute because I'm ready to get paid out again on this. So there we go. It was really just to show you that this can be done. And if you are wanting to try the 5%ers, do check it out because they genuinely help you and it can give you life-changing money if you put the work in. That's the key element though, guys. You can't go into this as a gambling mentality. You've got to go into it with a business mentality and you've got to stick to your rules, keep your risk managed, and the rewards are there for you. So this is now added a colossal amount of money to my salary at the end of each month. And what's better than that? You know, so if you're looking for a way to find your time freedom, a prop firm can do it for you. And across the summer, there you go, proof in the pudding. I said I'd do it by Christmas. I'm ahead of the game by a month. Job's done. So if you're stuck, by all means contact me. If you want to see how trading works in real time, do check the Scruffy Squad out because it's very transparent. I show exactly what I do and I talk through what I do. And if it's not for you, there's no tie-in, so you're not tied to it either. And that's it, guys. So happy days. And if you do want to try the 5%ers, check the description. you'll get 5% discount off the fees. So there you go. Nearly forgot. I'm all excited, you see. I might even change the coffee for a beer. And if Winky plays a card right.
How does your missus put up with you? Must be my legendary prowess as a lover.
Right, there we go. Trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow, as shown. See you all in the next one.